ToyTractorTimes.com is at the 2013 St. Louis Farm Toy Show Display and Custom Contest, and we're here with Brad McPherson to take a look at a very unique 1/32 piece. I believe it was the only 1/32 piece in the contest today.
Yes, it was. It was only. It's the only 32nd scale piece in here, and the first one I've ever done.
Well, let's take a look at this decked out Southern cotton plantering rig.
Well, first I took a regular North Scott tractor, spaced out the tracks, hand built my tanks. The tanks are removable. The tracks will slide in and out. I can take the tanks out, slide the tracks back in the original spot, whatever needs to be done. I took and put all the fill hoses and fittings and flow meter, rate controllers, all that stuff on it. We have
I can't do drive-through anymore because
have a high pro roller pump on the back. Took the rotary beacons off and installed Trimble autopilot system on it. Have all of my hoses, fittings, everything on the bottom like it would need to have for it to actually work. Then I took from a
Can we take a look at the other side there where the plumbing and everything comes in?
Okay.
Yeah. That's a nice tractor.
Thank you. I really didn't do much to the tractor, just kind of added parts to it that, is already detailed pretty good anyway.
North Scott does a good job.
So.
All right, well now let's see the second part of this planter setup.
Well, this is a twin row Monosem corn planter on a Orthman 905 new style stacking bar. I took the Universal Hobbies Monosem planters, took 3 of them, put them together, turned it into a twin row 38-inch center planter with the twins sitting on 8-inch centers.
So is that 24 units?
24 units, 12 rows.
That's a lot of weight.
That's a lot of weight. Had to fabricate my lift assist wheels. Got them set in. Got working cylinders on them. They swivel. Make a 360-degree swivel on the wheels. The toolbar is modeled after an Orthman. It will stack up and down, just like the real thing. I get it freed up here because it's got catches on it. And there we have transport position.
Very nice.
I added, it's got all of the hydraulic hoses, cylinders. It's got the folding cylinders. We've got hoses running to each cylinder, so if you get in a bind, you can raise one wing up if you need to turn, or vice versa. Got the cylinders on the lift assist wheels as well. I've got the air manifolds with the flex hosing coming out of the fan, going down, run down with the wing. It will flex up with the wing like it's supposed to, and come back down. I got one hose running each manifold, just like the real planter. Got my plumbed into my motor, and I guess that's really all there is to it.
Well, it's a nice unit. Let's see it. I guess we'll get it on the tractor here and take a look at the full combo. What kind of, if you were planting cotton or something with this unit, what kind of chemical would you be putting down with the tanks?
Probably putting down Gramoxone, Gramoxone Direx or Caparol, just something for residual weed control. Wouldn't really use a twin row planter for planting cotton. It hasn't really showed a yield bump in cotton yet. Mainly use it for corn and beans.
Well, it's a nice. Do you mind turning it around and maybe then folding up the the units here?
Okay. This is what you'd normally see in a planter in my neck of the woods. Mounted planter, 3-point mounted.
And that's over in the Boot Hill, Missouri?
Over in the Boot Hill, Missouri, yes.
Well, Brad, thank you very much for sharing this great piece with us, and look forward to seeing what Custom Farm Toys comes up with next. And you have a website, too, online that people can check out your work?
www.customfarmtoys.com, and can follow my Facebook page, Custom Farm Toys, on Facebook as well.
Well, we will check it out, and thank you very much for your time and talents.